Most students believe that studying longer hours means better results, but the truth is, top students don't study longer, they study smarter. Using a few scientifically proven techniques, you can finish your study sessions faster, remember more information, and feel less exhausted. In this video, I'll show you 5 scientific study methods that help you study more in less time. Before using any advanced study techniques, you must fix 5 basic habits. First, eliminate distractions. Phones and notifications destroy your focus. Second, be precise. Third, manage sound. Use white noise for simple tasks, but silence for complex topics. Fourth, align study time with your highest energy hours. And finally, use a dedicated study space to train your brain for focus. The first scientific method is called chunking. Instead of studying a full chapter at once, break it into small pieces. For example, instead of studying an entire physics chapter, divide it into concepts, formulas, examples, practice questions. Our brain processes small chunks of information much more efficiently than large blocks. So instead of feeling overwhelmed by a chapter, your brain feels like it's completing small, achievable tasks. The second method is setting tight but realistic deadlines. There is a psychological principle that says, work expands to fill the time available. If you give yourself 7 days to finish a chapter, it will take 7 days. But if you give yourself 3 hours, your brain automatically increases focus and efficiency. Deadlines create urgency, and urgency increases productivity. The third method is focus sprints. Instead of studying for hours continuously, study in short, intense sessions. For example, Pomodoro technique. 25-minute study, 5-minute break, or the 90-minute ultra-dian sprint, which follows your brain's natural energy cycle. This helps maintain deep concentration. The fourth technique is called interleaving. Instead of studying one subject for hours, mix different topics. For example, study physics, then solve math problems, then review chemistry concepts. This forces your brain to constantly switch problem-solving strategies, which strengthens learning. Research shows that interleaving improves long-term retention and problem-solving ability. The fifth and most powerful technique is active recall. Most students revise by rereading their notes, but this is actually one of the least effective study methods. Instead, close your book and ask yourself, what do I remember? Write everything you can recall on a blank sheet of paper, then check the book and only review the points you missed. Your brain learns much faster when it is forced to retrieve information rather than just reading it passively. If you apply these 5 scientific techniques, you won't need to study longer hours anymore. Instead, you'll study smarter, remember more, and finish your work faster. Try these methods in your next study session and see the difference. And if you want more science-based study tips, make sure to subscribe to the channel.